We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say different related words and different ways of saying it, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. Of course, this is a word of Spanish origin, meaning Mary, and Juana being Jane, Spanish for Jane. In Spanish it is said as marijuana, marijuana. In English, however, because that J letter doesn't exist, or the way to say it in Spanish doesn't exist in English, it is said as marijuana, marijuana, or marijuana, marijuana. In American English, marijuana, or marijuana in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.